Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Clanton local and long-distance movers near me. If it's time to relocate, you need the best cheap Clanton moving company. 3 Movers is the right choice for you. We handle local and long-distance moves with ease. Our team will make your move simple. Whether you're moving a home, apartment, dorm room, business, equipment, furniture, or anything else, we can help you get there sooner and safer. Choosing to hire us means you get access to the best long-distance moving services, including packing services. A very convenient move is possible when you hire us to handle the packing and unpacking. Moving supplies. Your things will remain protected when you choose to get your moving supplies from us. An on-time move. Moving day will run on schedule with us. We don't delay your move or cancel on you at the last minute. Upfront pricing. A moving quote from us gives you the transparent pricing you need to plan your budget. Licensed and insured. Your things are safe when you trust us to do the moving for you. Relocating isn't easy. It's a stressful process, but can become easier with the right moving company. Our team will help you relocate a few states over or across the entire country. Let us help you make your move easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clanton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.